there was this story. I was being beaten. I think it was yesterday. Of a certain lady. They coerced the husband now to sell the plot. Yeah. And they sold the plot, and the money was paid in cash.
Yes.
Yeah. And then the money that was paid in cash, the lady took the money.
All the money.
All of it.
Yes.
Went and bought a plot and built a house for her mother. Yeah. She is a very bright lady.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, the man, since the lady disappeared, has traced now the lady.
Yes.
Yes. And they are living together like nothing happened.
Oh, le mundo la muka. Mena broti. Muka oka mwela li gudu ria mwega li. Ni twendie kagunda gaka. Broti gaka ni twendie.
They sold it.
Na ni undu wa guku kurumirirwo ni KRA.
Ole. Ni tunegerwo ciindo.
Cio keci. Tugatinde ukiurio kuria bengi-ini mbeca icio cia umaku.
Ni cio cie noti.
Agoka agacioya
700.
Yes.
Yeah.
Agathia kagura plot na agakira nyina. Na akora kwa murume. Acoka magaikara. Murume agoka kona mutumia uria wari wake. Akauga niwe nyina wa ciana ciake.
Yes.
Magacokanwo.
Yes.
Na they live happily ever after.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
Uguo niguo maica magire gukorwo. Tondu mundu ti guitanga. Ni akuonia na ni arakuonia.
Yes.
This is exactly what I did with that money. No anyita.
Yes.
Nie ndakeire mami. Na ndiramugurira handu. Athire akigura kabuloti ga ciringi ngiri akamagana macio. Matatu. Na agicoka agithogothania kanyumba ka mbeca akwita iriku.
Yo taicio.
Ure nyina ikarite wega. Muthuri acoke baranginyo.
Na ucio no ta muciari wake.
Exactly. Ucio ni ta muciari wake. Yes. Thina ukoragwo ari guitanga mundu akuonia ati akuire mbeca ciaku na ndangikuonia what they really did with that money.
Yes, but my question is, tondu ino yari hihi thigino ya muthuri ri.
Yes.
Muthuri we ateithikira ku tondu ucio ni muici ni ta kumuya.
Riu ungiturororaga maundu na njira yo ndungi survive thino. Tukorora go kuria urateithikira.